A new bill in Congress could reduce the tax burden for millions of public sector retirees who receive Social Security, but the details matter a lot. For public sector workers like teachers, police officers, and firefighters, a recent law restored Social Security benefits that had been reduced or eliminated for decades. Now, a new bill is working to make sure those restored payments do not create an unexpected tax problem. The No Tax on Restored Benefits Act would exclude certain restored Social Security payments from a retiree's gross income for federal tax purposes. The exclusion applies to payments made after December 31, 2024 and before January 1, 2026. The bill targets public sector employees who received increased benefits after Congress repealed the windfall elimination provision and the government pension offset. Teachers, firefighters, and other government workers were among those most affected. The repeal gave many of them their first real Social Security income in years. About 70 million Americans currently receive Social Security benefits. For many of them, part of that income is already subject to federal taxes. Single filers with combined income above $34,000 may owe tax on up to 85% of their benefits. Married couples filing jointly face the same threshold at $44,000. The restored benefits now flowing to former public sector workers can push some recipients over those tax thresholds for the first time, which is exactly what this bill is designed to address. Even with this proposed relief, Social Security faces a long-term funding challenge. The program's trust funds are projected to face depletion within the next decade, which could trigger automatic benefit cuts if Congress does not act. If you received increased Social Security benefits following the WEP or GPO repeal, here are steps worth taking now. Confirm whether your benefit increase qualifies under the bill. Review how the restored payments affect your taxable income. Consult a tax professional and monitor updates, since the bill's scope and timeline may still change. The No Tax on Restored Benefits Act would shield certain public sector retirees from paying federal income tax on Social Security payments restored through the WEP and GPO repeal. The relief window is limited, but for the retirees affected, the tax savings could be meaningful. A financial professional can help you determine whether you qualify.